Grasp automatically calculates full trajectories, guiding the robot from a final position directly inside the box. Perfect for picking parts for production lines, machine loading and unloading, quality control, and part sorting. Grasp can handle parts that are very reflective, dark or matte, painted or coated, machined, foil wrapped, or transparent. It manages geometric or complex shapes of any size, starting from just 5 millimeters. Currently running with the ABB robot, Grasp supports a wide range of robot manufacturers and can be implemented with any robot using the SANEZOO protocol and API. Grasp offers plug-and-play integration for fast and easy setup, including new part teaching and visualization. With its large depth of field, Grasp is versatile for containers of any size and can handle very small parts even in large containers. Grasp operates flawlessly in both darkness and direct sunlight, unaffected by lighting variability, ensuring stable performance day and night. Grasp goes through scene acquisition, 3D reconstruction, part detection, and reach analysis in just a few milliseconds.